Hey everybody, it's Alex from Epidemic Proof, and today we have MRE menu number 17, pork sausage patty, maple flavored. Here's the pork sausage patty, smoked almonds, table syrup, maple muffin top, dehydrated granola with milk and blueberries. And finally, your hash brown potatoes with bacon, peppers, and onions. And this pack includes coffee as well as its bag, creamer, and 2 kinds of sugars. Grape electrolyte carbohydrate beverage. Spoon, flameless ration heater, and sleeve. Check out the link for this product down below. Let me know what was your favorite part about this MRE menu.